Hi everyone. Welcome back to Jady Kreativ. I hope you're all having a great day. In today's video, we're talking all about button hacks, simple but super useful tricks you can use for everyday life. From invisible button sewing, creative button decorations, to DIY buttonholes and even a smart way to use buttons to keep your blanket filling in place, this video is full of easy ideas you'll want to try right away. Let's get started. Have you ever had a jeans button pop off like this? Today, I'll show you how to fix it yourself. No need to buy a new button or use any special tools. By the way, do you usually fix buttons yourself, or do you replace the whole piece when a button falls off? And which button hack do you think you'll use the most? Let me know in the comments, I'd love to hear. If you're enjoying the video so far, don't forget to give it a like. It really helps support the channel. Thank you so much. In today's video, I'll show you 2 easy ways to sew on buttons without visible stitches, using 2 of the most common button types. I'm sure you'll find them helpful. For some types of clothing or button placements, invisible stitching makes the garment look neater and more put together. Alright, let's start with the first one. And next is the second tip for sewing buttons with hidden stitches, perfect for all hole style buttons. Next is a simple DIY way to make a buttonhole by hand. It works great for both creating a new buttonhole and repairing an old one, all by hand, no sewing machine required. And for the final hack, I'll show you a simple way to decorate buttons to refresh your clothes and add a unique personal touch, using basic embroidery stitches. I've also included stitch tutorials at the end of the video to help beginners easily follow along. That's it for today's button hacks. I hope these simple ideas make sewing feel easier and help you upgrade your clothes in a fun, creative way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss new sewing tips every week. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video. Step 1. Bring the needle up through point A. And insert it back down at the same spot or just beside it to make a small loop. Step 2. Bring the needle up at point B, and pull the thread until the petal has the puffiness you like. Step 3. Insert the needle down just beside point B to secure the petal. The lazy daisy stitch is a variation of the chain stitch and is commonly used for flower petals and leaves. Its big advantage is flexibility. You can adjust the thread tension to create soft or tight petals for different effects. A common mistake is pulling the thread too tightly, which makes the petal look flat or too thin. To fix this, gently adjust the thread and shape it with your finger for a nice curve. Step 1. Bring the needle up through point A and pull the thread all the way out. Step 2. Hold the thread straight with your left hand. Then use your right hand to wrap the thread around the needle twice in a clockwise direction. Gently pull the thread so the wraps tighten around the needle. Step 3. Insert the needle down at the next to point A to secure the knot. And that's your French knot. You can also try the French knot with different numbers of strands. Here I'm using 2 strands. This one is with 4 strands. The more strands you use, the thicker and more raised your French knot will appear. And here are 3 common mistakes. Number 1. Inserting the needle too far from the starting point. This makes the knot loose or uneven. Number 2 is not keeping the thread tight while wrapping, and this causes the knot to slip or unravel. So you must hold the thread with steady tension and release it only after the needle has gone through. Number 3 is wrapping the thread too many times so the knot becomes bulky and messy. To fix this, only wrap the thread 1 to 3 times depending on how big you want the knot.